Hello, I'm Anthony Starks of Financial Freedom Insurance, and today I want to talk to you about how health insurance and your taxes go together. A lot of time we get questions about, hey, this health insurance, is it going to affect my taxes? So I want to show you how it works so that you're very informed on it, okay? So what I want to do is tell you a really quick story, and that'll help you to really understand how it works. So we're going to just use Sarah for an example. We're going to say Sarah is 25 years old. She has one child on her taxes. And let's just say she makes $25,000 a year, okay? When she makes $25,000 a year, she qualifies for $300 a month in subsidy. I want you to keep that in mind. So you're gonna get $300 of grant money to help you offset the cost of your plan, okay? So with this $300, Sarah is then gonna call us, get a quote, and at that point, she's gonna have options. She's going to get quoted different plan options. One of them may be $300 a month. Another option may be $325. Another option may be $425. As she take her $300, she's going to apply it to one of those plans. So she will apply her $300 to the $300 plan. That means she pays $0 a month. She doesn't pay anything. If she applies to the $325, she pays $25 a month because that's the balance of the health insurance plan that costs $325. If she didn't have any subsidy money, she will pay $325 a month. But with the subsidy money, because she makes $25,000 a year, she'll be able to use this to offset that to pay $25 a month. With me so far? All right, so if she goes with the plan that costs $425, a higher tier plan, she applies the $300 towards it, which will leave her a balance of $125 a month. In this example, let's just say she goes with the middle plan, she pays $25 a month. The plan is going to start on the 1st of January, okay? So the 1st of January of 2021, for an example, she's going to pay that all the way through the end of December. The plans run from January to December of every year. So now that $25 a month that she was paying because she selected the middle option, it means out of pocket she paid $300 for the year, okay? Now, let's get to tax time. This is how this all applies. So let's just say now she's had this plan all the way through 2021. Now it's going to be that March, April of 2022. And let's just say her income was actually $30,000 instead of the $25,000. If her income was actually $30,000, that would mean she would qualify for less subsidy money, which would maybe come out in this example, just say the $290. With that $290 that she qualifies for, actually, when she paid that $25 a month, she actually would qualify for less money because the $10 is the difference. So because her subsidy is $25, she really should have been paying $35 a month, okay? So because she have now a balance of $10 a month every month that she's paid for 12 months, at the time of taxes, she will owe $120 on her taxes. Does it make sense? Because she made more money than when she reported at the beginning of the quote. So because she made more money, she didn't qualify for as much subsidy. Now she has a $10 balance every month. So $10 a month times 12 months is $120. Okay, so technically she should have been paying $35 a month on her health insurance when she selected this plan. All right. Now let's just say it works in reverse. If her income is $20,000, but she reported at $25,000, which is lower than what she reported, then she would actually get more subsidy. So instead of $300 worth of subsidy, she would maybe qualify for $310 worth of subsidy, just to keep the math simple here. So if she paid $25 a month, she really should have been paying $15 a month because she would have gotten a credit of $10 a month. So the fact that she paid $25 a month, she's going to get a credit of $10 every month for that 12 months that she had the plan. And at that point, the government or at the end of the year when she files the taxes, she's going to get a credit of $120 on her return. Does it make sense? Because she made less. So it all depends on how the income falls on what you qualify for. So if you mention one price that you make per year and you make more, you have to pay back. Or if you make less, then you get money back. So it's that simple. Either you're going to pay for it up front or you're going to pay on the back end. Because again, even in this situation, if she was paying less every month and at that point she got more money, now it would have balanced itself out on the taxes. So obviously if she made $25,000, she wouldn't owe anything or she wouldn't receive anything. It's just that simple. Now the real question is, because a lot of times people are kind of confused on, well, I don't want to do anything because I'm afraid what's going to do on my taxes. The real issue is not what's happening on your taxes. The real issue is when you don't have health insurance. So in this example, again, even if you were paying that $25 a month, which equals out to the $300 a year, when you don't have health insurance, let's just say you call an ambulance out, you have a medical emergency. That's $5,000 easy just to go around the block. You go through the emergency room, that's an easy additional $15,000. You get confined in the hospital room, easy another 30 grand added on. You have any type of surgeries, easily an extra 80 grand for the year, for that surgery. And then any prescriptions you need could be $1,000 or more per prescription. Any follow-up visits you have are several thousands of dollars. So when you add all of these things up, you're out of hundreds of thousands of dollars really quickly for one medical event, which leads to bankruptcy, debt, any savings or retirement. You just wipe that out, and you could have gotten that all resolved for simply sign up for a plan for $25 a month. So this is the real cost of the insurance, or what your expenses are going to go to. Hopefully this made sense. If you have any other questions, you can contact us directly, 972-898-9362. Again, that's going to be 972-898-9362, or visit us online at financialfreedominsurance.com. Again, that's going to be financialfreedominsurance.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.